So check it out. You're probably thinking, John, what is that hideous thing and why is it on your layout? But this was my first Lionel train, or what's left of it. It had the mighty sound of steam. It was from a Silver Star set. I thought it was gone for good. I couldn't figure out whatever happened to it. I do have some of the cars, but the engine I thought was lost. But moms are just so cool. My mother had saved this, and I found it in some stuff, some Christmas decorations and things that she had. She was running it for her scene. And I tried to put some handrails on it at one time. I think I used just regular household copper wiring. I see that's what the stanchions are made of. And I put 2 Grano wheat bulbs up front so the marker lights light up pretty cool. And I think there's a light in the cab too that I'd put in there. So for my kid, it was my first try. And it almost made me cry when I found it because I just thought it was one of those things from my childhood I thought was lost for good. And as I said, moms are just too cool. Thanks, Mom. So anyway, well, let's take it for a spin. The smoke unit actually works pretty good on it. The mighty sound of steam went into another unit, as did the smoke unit for it, but there is a smoke unit in this one. So I put one of those little rattle tenders behind it, the mighty sound of marbles. So we'll take it for a spin. Here we go. You see the smoke unit works pretty good in it. I think I put the smoke unit and the mighty sound of steam in a Pennsylvania passenger set that my wife bought me. It's one of those Atlantics. And 3 passenger cars. And it works really good in it. I really like the marker lights. I think that looks pretty cool, actually. I thought maybe I'd try redoing handrails, but maybe I'll just leave it as is, just a reminder of my childhood. And how special it is to me now because Mom had preserved it for me. I can take the camera out, just kind of follow it around. You see it still runs pretty good. And we'll put the camera back down. We'll let it get one more run by. So I'm thankful another piece of my childhood has kind of been reclaimed. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.